Bring waiting for you. Eh?
Food now.
Madam, bring what? Now food will come here, come chop. Maybe water will say make we come here, come collect, take hold body. You have to bring food.
I beg, I don't too waka.
You don't waka too much.
I don't waka too much. Make person not go die. I beg, give me food, me and chop. On your road here.
You don't waka too much. On your road here, give you food, make you no go die. Me now want. Eh?
Madam, I beg, give me rice, beans, chicken lap, then take salad, garnish am.
No be only chicken lap. They go give you concrete. Buko de kenja ba PCC put it. Then we there gravel concrete. We gragane buko moganani. How much you don't make to the way they demand for all those things? Eh? Small. This way you go ask for. Give banga na go census. Madam, please, if you get Akam, go bring Akam, give her, let she drink.
Me, Akam? I tell you, sir, do operation. And from hospital, they come. What's in the other one now? I bet, madam, give me what I tell you, make you drink for me.
See, I know for restaurant for Akam. What I'm selling here is pepper soup, goat meat, goat head, cow meat, cow, ngongwishe with short, or even rebe. So if you people don't want to buy chicken or pepper soup, they can get up so that better customer enter. Bye. See, I'm there.
You see this salt where you carry me come make I sit down on top of his salt. No here na go shonere. Repa ma oro ogiri oro ube oro eke. Na no pok mo ihan ela ha ka bongamu. Mbianga oga mo kole heat na boshim na. Ibranga biri pepper soup. I no blame you. You see the salt where this woman come give us. You see am?
Alahaji. How far now? Make you pay for the hotel now. Wow.
Cindy.
What's up now? I know what to do. My love, no mind.
There you go.
Come back now.
Back here. When are they here? Me and you, who first there? For this house now. Now I tell the person. Go first bath.
See, your guy. I don't just get straight for you this morning. No. Come on for road, I won't go back.
You know, go first me bath for this house. That was what you want. You get on this morning.
Hey.
If like say you don't let for rag day today.
One babysitter.
I mean, come on for make people go back a beg.
Okay, now you black albino. Yes. Don't punish you. Mommy water. Come on for road, I won't go back.
You see as the verse for you. Say you insult an elderly person.
Come on for road.
As far if you look at me here, what you go see? You don't like him. If you look at me here, what you go see? You don't like him.
See, oh guy, I don't respect you now. Come on for road, though. I don't go beg you again. No, come on for them.
You see how them the verse, because you insult an elderly man. If you look at me, you don't like what you go see. If you look at me, I don't like what you go see.
Titus, say you come.
Titus,
Ayo.
okay.
And then we am to the lady.
If you look at me, I don't like it.
Come on, help yourself. So you don't say when you don't plan to rape my wife for this compound. Finally, you want to rape my wife, not the bathroom. Where I am, when I'm still alive. Hey!
Titus, so now you and your wife, they plan to kill me for this house, Abi?
We kill you.
Hey!
You know the Benin man again.
Hey!
You know the Benin man.
Hey!
Come enter the room, make I see.
Okay, Titus, don't try me.
Me, I not try you.
Don't try me for this house because the way you go take get a knife, you don't like him.
What's in there? Go get.
No.
What do you want? Give me
No.
Don't try me. Yeah.
I go try you. No, go do anything. Come here. Your mates, they brag with money. Now you think you want to threaten me?
Don't try me.
Come on. You come on.
Hey!
Let me know.
Tell her where you
Anaconda.
Abala.
Hey!
Abala.
You don't get me for this house.
Why not naked? Why not naked?
Auntie Patient. Now my clothes. You fold like this.
No, your clothes. I'll fold like that. Your clothes don't dry. I won't spread my own clothes now.
You want to spread your own clothes. Now you make you fold my clothes like this. You know, feel. Oh, come me, make I come you. Use my hand, collect my clothes.
Not be the same thing. Now, if you don't come out, you go pack and go now. See, I don't get you for trouble. I know to go straight.
How you get short? Oh my clothes, don't try because he never take away my baby. Spread that for here.
Your baby, let her go catch. I respect you. I'm not gonna punish you.
Not my clothes, I don't know. Not my clothes.
I respect. I'm
Yeah, your husband. They tie it out.
What is the matter?
No.
If you don't try, I come out your clothes and spread clothes.
Why you put the clothes like this? Why you put the clothes like this? Why you not come and make a come? Use my hand. Come on, my clothes.
Why did he call you? Eh? Why is it that all the time you will run around my wife as if saying that you marry and give me? Eh? What did she do to you? Can you come here again?
I spray clothes. Your wife. Take my clothes. Food. I don't tell her. Make you know. Touch my clothes again. If not, I'm not gonna like. Wetin go happen for this?
Now you not go like wetin go happen to you in this compound.
Tell him.
Now you well not go like wetin we go do to you because you don't find trouble. We don't dey keep am for you. But this time around, I cannot keep it again for you. You carry blanket, make we run for you. Students, everybody don't go school. Anything where you want this afternoon.
That means I don't ready for this house, Abi.
We don't ready.
We don't ready for
do
you.
your worst.
That's to say.
Okay, do your worst.
Hey!
Do your worst.
Hey!
Do your worst. Get me
Baby! My baby!
Ask questions of people where they live here. We are not going to tell me. Let me see the where go come here.
Let me call for this meeting. For where I come from, if we don't pass like 4, we not speak English, so we speak PG so that we enter on a year way. Now 2 issues and 1 address, but the one where he pay me pass, this little man, after Titus. This Peking, they always they disturb me, say, they disturb on, they disturb on. No, Titus, as you see this Peking now, so you not get conscience. Eh? So, because of say, okay, now crime now for small Peking to follow stay the same compound. As this boy there now, so, sorry bros, you understand, not to their hand. So, as this Peking there now, so you go know say one day he go grow. Not before you to the oppressor because of say you not get, because say you get height person. You never enter young shall grow motor once. Eh? So I beg, I go like me with they live like one. We be one Nigerian. Bros, you not just worry. One day you go wake up one day, you go see you say your height go grow.
Amen.
You understand? Abi? I'm not talking
Amen.
Where you? Wait. You for record all this thing. I not get time. I get what I want to do. Wait. Don't do wait now.
You talk am well. You talk am well.
Your problem self dey your body. How you take talk so with all this stress where you dey give yourself so. So Titus, you don't hear am now. So wait till you get to talk put.
Wow. Ndojo wale. Tie don't suffer. Tie, they don't tie you for rope. They don't tie me down. Anyway, na me find trouble.
I know.
If to say I no come, find the whole place where I go get house live. Na among woman, my baby will pray. All these insults for no. If I hear him, if I hear him, you know go pass this semester where you did.
And Titus, not make mistake. Not to say if now you cause and you go to say now where your money reach. You blind before you know they see. You not see do place where they this place. Don't say now where your money reach. Who you they want form for? All these people. Relax. I want your issue. Small. Small. So now where your money reach at this level where you did now. So yeah, continue.
Patient. Well, thank God your name na patient. So yeah, we could just exercise patience.
Abemuna not to exercise am I beg because if you not to exercise am I will die for old age. Poverty go finish on now. So not to exercise patience. The issue when I tell you now, so I don't want me they disturb this boy.
Oga caretaker for somebody house.
Yes, na me.
No verse.
Okay.
The thing wey pay me no be say you call this meeting o.
Okay.
And another thing wey pay me no be because you gather me among every other person here.
Okay.
After all, we are living in the same compound.
Correct.
Na one God na him create us.
Correct.
And na one breathe na him wey dey breathe in, dey breathe am out.
Correct.
But the thing wey dey pain me be say you call this meeting, we come dey mix up. Yes, you would have called this meeting among men and the livings.
Thank you.
Not adults and children.
Adolescents.
Adolescents and children. Just look at me finish. See my leg. Now shake your leg. Is your leg no dey touch ground? Your leg no dey touch ground?
The ground.
Na him you go gather people wey their leg never even dey dream to touch ground. The people go leg.
Not be big issue, not be fault. They think big. You know, say you know they planet Earth. How far come that to Earth? Correct. Yes. Enter Earth to favor you, my brother. Enter Earth.
Yes.
You see,
You never reach ground.
we can now talk like a man because Okuya no nala. So you look this thing finish. This thing finish when no get sense. And you want compare me with her. That I come here, come hide. No be say I don't know where my money reach. So anybody wey want talk, make him mind the way he go take talk for this compound. Otherwise,
Wait. Call me.
Leave a man talk, na man him be your bed.
You see this small pikin, they go there.
Oh, when is it? Don't go there, let me talk there.
You see this small pikin? Now you are. I go
Who is small pikin?
I go so arrest you.
You
You
know
say you go verse, abi? You say you go verse. See,
No
I
time
dey
you.
warn all of una for this place, all of una, even all the guests, I dey shame for una. Una go dey wan date boy, una go dey date boy where dey trek. Una no date boy where get motor. No dey make am
Onye oshi.
See, Titus.
I no get una time.
Titus, share them. Take time.
patient. You don't enter trouble. Ofola genanya. Rakete aburu na rokete. Ebelebe. You don't enter trouble. Ofola genanya. Madam patient ikam naju. Are you a student Madam patient? Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. Oga Titus Oga Tai. Are you a student Oga Titus? See you see wahala Ofola ginanya. Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. Are you a student Oga Titus? Are you a student Madam patient? You don't enter trouble Ofola ginanya. Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. You do because them do. You do because I do. Are you a student Oga Titus? Madam patient Opofola ginanya. Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. You do because them do. Oga do. You rag because they rag. Madam rag. Opofola ginanya. Madam rocket Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. You get the body mount Oga Titus. You get the body mount Madam patient. The rag the way you rag. Now your rag. Your rag day don't they rag you ebelebe. Una start the rag day. Una be student Oga Titus and Madam patient too. One day na one day monkey go market too. E no go return at all ebelebe. Are you a student Oga Titus? Are you a student Madam patient? You don't enter trouble Ofola ginanya. Ragide aburu na rocket ebelebe. You see students come back if they count money. You don't close your shop, say you go do raggy day. Ofola ginanya.
He's a wedding. 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 Halala. God, marriage. You got ya. Two more. For the other. Wedding. God, the Lord of good. Amare Sabi had done them. Our children shall attend. Some marriage bell ringing. Hey. Artist. Attention. Artist. Attention. Artist. Yes. We are the latest couple in town. We are the latest couple in town. Yes. We are making you the dead man standing on our wedding. Yes. Yes. You are going to stand. Attention. You stand like this. Everything here. Everything maya. Ingo. Everything tapo. Here. Everything ingo. Everything here. Everything here. Yes. We have so many dignitaries. Yes. That will come to our wedding. We just finished inviting Ezendiara to our wedding. Zubi Michael, Ezendiara, He is the chairman of the occasion.
Yes, of our nautical club.
Yes, another special guest of dishonor. He is Terry G. Titus. He is going to be there. Terry G is going to be there. Terry G is going to be there.
Hey.
Then Flavor Nabalia. Oh, Flavor Nabalia. Oh, Flavor Nabalia. Oh, Flavor Nabalia. I see number here. I'm an area for collab. That is his song. He's going to be there. He will be our musical artist, flower boy of the day.
Hey, our Indiana is
Diamond Okechi. Then the mother of the day is Ebero Karo. Ngozi Ezonu is a mother of the day.
Both of you should get out from this place. Huh? Njala, mad people. Get out from this place. Hey, I don't entertain mad people in my shop. Yeah, get out from here. Huh? Njala. Get out from here. Foolish people. Get out from here.
Bobata monster biara no logi. Bobata obiara ngagi. Bobata monster biara no logi. Na bataya I biara nye ga akwukwo. Take it. Take it. If you don't come to our wedding, you be a dead man. You be a dead man. You be a dead man. Unto the Lord is a glory. Glory to the Lord. Unto the Lord is a glory. Glory to the Lord. Unto the Lord.
Hey! What's the best for this?
Linda. I don't go finish. You go chop?
Sorry,
You know one chop?
sorry they call me Linda. I don't forget to see Linda.
Now question why I just asked you.
Come on, my name is Amanda.
Amanda, I never see those two international rag day beggars. You know, these days. What's happened? I don't see them around.
Linda, you are right too.
I never
But who know where they put it?
It asked me. I don't know now. Now why they asked you now?
Ogayo.
Okay, wait on me.
Ogayo, you never heard of your good friends, Oga Titus and Auntie Pesha in wife. For days now, we will never see them.
Never see them. What's happened?
Where them? Where them? What they say? Them get this house. Where them doing? That they say I don't get God. Make them come. Because cow when you get tail. Now in God, they pursue fly for them. They no. They no. Say, Abi, I know they.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!